Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and apparently I'm going to have some loud noises at the beginning of my videos. I don't know how to fix it, but yeah. So anyway, I am here to finish up my series that I just had, and it was the 9 by 10 album. This is 9 by 10 and 3 inches here. And yeah, so I did not tell you um, what the pattern paper sizes are, but I'll walk you through it when I go through this so that you know. So this paper is from Modernista Print Shop on Etsy, and it is the Patchwork Love Mixed Media, and I will have it linked down below. Uh, and another thing I want to say real quick about this is I love this company. It's my go-to for a lot of things. And the reason why is because they always give you paper that is 8.5 by 11 that you can make these albums. You download and you have the prints forever. And right now, I think everything is on 50% off. And also, they have their lifetime for like $33 and you get everything that they have in their shop. And I think they have 181 right now when I just looked of different sets. Some sets you get 50 prints. This is 24. And then some sets you get a lot, and it's junk journals and everything. But instead of just doing a junk journal, I wanted to be able to start using my prints and making albums because once you use a paper pad, it's gone. And I'll talk more about that at the very end about how I print and how cheap it is and everything else. So, okay, so let's just look at the album. So look at that. It's got movement and lace and all kind of stuff. All the laces came from my mom. You can see that I ripped the paper. This is the first time I did that. My fingers were sore. Um, and I did that because these papers had that on the edge, so I wanted to follow that on my album. There is the bird cage and there is the back. But when I saw this, I said this is perfect because it already had embellishments of lace in the paper, so I wanted to follow that through. So let's look at this. If you didn't see the videos of how to make this, go back to the last three. It is the 9 by 10 series, and you'll see the blue uh, album, blue paper, and also it will be in my playlist of album tutorials and stuff like that. So here is the first layout, and all the laces was given to me by my mom. I think I said that. And then here it is. So it went like this. I don't know if I have that open right. So it went like that. And look at all the space you have for your photos. I made tags from my dies and a tuck spot. And I thought you could put a photo here. If you don't like the tuck spot, it would lay flat and you would just hide it. And then you could put two photos there or whatever size photos you have. I thought you could write your journaling about the occasions and use that. So here is the first one. Here is the first page, and we have tags or photo areas to put more photos. You can put photos in here and just get rid of this. Put photos here, journaling or photo little card. And in all of them, they have a pull-out, nice size. This was, let me see what size this was. It's 7 3/4 by 9. And I also did 1 inch and teared the paper so that when it matches and everything and stick in there, I'm not going to pull all those out. So that is the first page, and here is the second and third page. It's got the lace, and see, the lace just coordinates with what the papers told me to do. So you can put a photo here and photos here, and then a lot of photos here. So this is 5.5 by 8. So you would just do 4 3/4 by 7 3/4 to get the 1/8 all the way around. So 1/8 and 1/8 is 1/4. So if you add that together, you would take 1/4 off the top and 1/4 off the length, and you would get what size pattern paper you need on all your pieces. So if this is, say this is 9 by 8, so you would want 8 3/4 by 7 3/4. So if you need help on what size of all your pattern papers need to be, just write down below, because I know I had a lot of people watching this series and I wanted to help them, and then I started doing this and totally forgot. So, and then I ripped it, and the pages that I ripped are not exactly, because some go in more, which I wanted that effect. So, but if you need help with your pattern paper after watching my series, just write to me that I need the measurements, and then I will go back and measure and tell you. But once you do it one time, it's pretty easy. So here is where it opens. And I just love this paper. I didn't put any people. There was 1 or 2 images of people, but I didn't want that, because when you put pictures there, you don't want to confuse what is going on in my eyes. So look at that, and look at that lace. And I'll show you, there's a pull out. I'll show you at the end that it's not a crocodile mouth. It really does close nice. Now here is the middle. And remember how I omitted the first stack the deck hinges, because I wanted it to have more space. So if I did a lot of lace or pockets or something. And so it worked out really nice. Look at all the space you have for photos. So here is more tuck spots that I made with my dies. And it both has a tag where you can put a picture on it, or journaling, and here is where you can put a journaling card, or you can use this card as a note if you gift this when you make it. If I can make this, you can make it. Trust me, your first one is scary and you want to go slow, and you want to watch a video twice or pause and make what they're saying and then start up. But after you make 1 or 2, it is like the back of your hand. It's so easy. Another pull out. And then here is this one where it goes like that. And you have a lot of space. And here is that. Those butterflies are so pretty. I loved all these colors. And there's the tuck spot. Pull out. And then here is this one. And look at the lace. And the lace really doesn't take up much space. It's not real bulky. And then the pull out here. And then here's your back page with your matching pocket from the front. And you could put a lot, you see I can stick all my fingers in there. You can put a lot of photos, and then this matches the front cover. Look at that beautiful lace I got from my mom. All the lace was from my mom, I think I might have said that. And then look at that. And then it's got the tuck spot. And I mean, look at the images, just go really well with the lace and the different stuff. And there you go. So there's the back, and remember to put your ribbon on before you put your pattern paper. So guys, I wanted to tell you that I really, really trust this company, Modernista Print Shop. Her link will be down below with what paper I have here. I work with them quite a bit. They're lovely people. They're in Spain, actually. But I have been taken advantage of several times with companies that say Lifetime Images. She has her Lifetime, I think, on sale. Her whole set, 181 right now. I don't know if they were using the word lifetime or all the bundle that's on sale, um, for $33. That is such a good deal. Some sets, and she has 181, are 50 pages or images and stuff. Some are, this one is 24. I would get, if you can afford it, and I it's not going to help them, but I'm going to help you. I go to Etsy, and if I like something, I put it in my cart or I do my favorite. Then when I get a notification that it's on sale, and I only buy 50% off or more, I never buy full price unless I have to because I'm making something specific for someone that day, which is very unusual. I would put it in my cart and wait for it to go on sale. Anything that goes on Etsy, um, when it comes to images and stuff like that. I love this company. I trust this company. They're very good people. So don't be afraid. Also, their genre is everything. They have every type of thing. Oh, that's what I wanted to show you. See how it closes and it's not an alligator mouth like this, but see the spacing and everything, it works out really nice. But anyway, the reason why I am going to start doing more images and albums like this instead of buying paper pads is space and price. I can buy images from 40 cents from companies to $5. I never spend more than $5. I think $5 is a lot. I usually get around $2. Um, they're half price right now on this. But anyway, because I have an HP and I have an HP printer, and they're linked together, and when I can print 300 images a month for $9.99 for $10. And when it goes low, I don't even know it. I just get ink that gets sent to me. I am on that instant ink through HP. You have to buy an HP printer uh, to have this work. So when you're needing a new printer, I would go to their site, the hp.com site, and look at the Insta ones. Not all of them are the Insta ink. Some of them are different printers, but not the Insta ink. And if you're into this and you want to save money and you don't have a lot of space, and then you're always current with what's going on and in the world and what's really popular, or you can just go to your genre that you like and you're not having to buy the paper pad that you use one time and then it's over. So that's my tip for the day. But anyway, all my links will be down below, and I hope you subscribe. And uh, her link to Modernistic Print Shop will be down below too. But I love this album. I think it turned out beautiful. I liked it. Tell me what you think. If you need help, just send me a message. Have a blessed day, everybody.